Hello and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we will be discussing about how to sign up in your Sweat Wallet app. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So first and foremost, to sign up in your Sweat Wallet app, you need to have the Sweatcoin app. However, you can also tap on Sweat Wallet option and tap on the Create Sweatcoin account. After you tap on Create Sweatcoin account, you will be now redirected to this interface, which will allow you to download the Sweatcoin app from your App Store or your Play Store. So once you have chosen a method to download the Sweatcoin app, your Sweatcoin app will get downloaded. And after the Sweatcoin app will get downloaded, you can simply open it and tap on Sign Up with Google or choose Login to my account. So after you have chosen and medium, tap on your email ID and allow all the access to Sweatcoin. Once all access is created, you need to connect with wallet by tapping on Opt with Crypto and hit the next button. Once this step is also done, you need to confirm your email ID, which will allow you to have a verification code in your email that will later help you to get access to your account, as it will help in the login process in the Sweat Wallet app. This is how you sign up or create an account in Sweat Wallet. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with these informative videos.